Hi, hello students. Today I am going to explain you about Linux from Linux to up to Nexus. So let us first log into AWS console. So I already have my email address which is in Popin. I am entering my password. I am logging as a root user. So now I have logged into my AWS console. So I am in the region of Asia Pacific, Mumbai, AP South 1. So these are the two recent visited services. Now I'm going to EC2 service. Now I'm about to launch certain instances. So let us start with an instance. You can click here launch instance, and then here we are supposed to give a name. So I am going to give as Maven and Tomcat. So we are going to deploy Maven, Tomcat and Java in one server. So we can call it as Tomcat server. So this is a Tomcat server. So I'm using Amazon Linux flavor, and then the description is this, and this is a free tier eligible one, which is one I'm using. It's called T2 Micro. It belongs to the T2 Micro family instance type. Key pair. I already have a key pair, so I'm using the same called demo. If you wanted a new key pair, then you can create a new key pair. These are the security groups. So you can allow HTTPS traffic from the internet, allow HTTP traffic from the internet. These are the two features where you should understand how it works. So this is an 8GB and GP2 root volume. I can also increase it. See, I can increase to 8, 9, 10, whatever I require. For now, I'm keeping the same as given. So I'm just trying to launch my instance. So it will take a few seconds to launch. So let us see here. It is initializing. Still, it is in pending state. And this is a T2 micro. Here also we can see availability zone, public ID, as well as elastic IP and all the other relevant informations given here. This is the refresh button where we can check the status of the EC2. So this is instance ID. Yeah. So we are going to connect this server by using SSH tool. So I'm going to the instance and then I'm clicking on the connect button where I can see SSH client. There I can see the key pair value, one of the key pair value from the server, which is nothing but this. So I'm just copied it, and then I already saved my pump files here in this folder called security keys. So now I just do a right click, and then here I can find open mobexterm terminal here. I'm just opening my mobexterm terminal here. So it is initializing. You can see the path. It is in the drives uses my PC OneDrive desktop and then security keys. Here I'm going to paste not this path. I'm going to paste the server key pair value, which is nothing but this. I have copied it and then I have pasted. I'm just entering. So through mobexterm, through SSH, we can connect to the service. So here it is asking me to update. So I'm giving the sudo syntax because EC2 has a sudo access by default. Okay, see, I just gave a syntax wrong. So all the required packages are being downloaded and it's getting configured in our server. So this is how we do installations and updates. So in real time, our tech lead, DevOps tech lead will be telling us whether to do updates or not. It is not our decision to do it. It is their decision by which we are supposed to act accordingly. Yes, so it is completed. So I'm switching to root user. Yes, and now I'm going to the OPT directory. So what is there in OPT directory? Nothing but default things are only there. I'm just clearing the screen. So now we are going to install few softwares like Maven, Java and all. So Java is our primary software for which for Maven to work on. So let us go for the blog. I have already given a complete details in the blog. Yes. See Java Maven Tomcat compatibility version. For running Maven and Tomcat, Java is the prerequisite. So here I am already in here. So now I'm with this link, I am supposed to download the Java package. So before going that, there is a command called wget. First I need to install the wget command. So I'm giving the syntax called yum install wget -5. -5 means just by giving s for all the required. So it is saying yeah, it is updated. So no more, no, we don't require additional installation because we already did it in the sudo yum package. So now here what I did is I just used the command called wget. With that I'm trying to download the Java package. Yeah, let us do it. So it is getting connected. Yeah, it is done. So let us see the Java version. Um, Wait a minute. I didn't install. I just downloaded it. See, this is only RPM file. I haven't extracted it. Now I'm extracting and installing this JDK file through this command. See, it is being extracted and then installed. And then I'm going to find out which version of the Java has been installed. This is the command to find out. So we can find here Java 1.8.0 and 131 subversion. So we have successfully downloaded the Java software of 1.8 and then we also installed it. Now it is the time to download and install Maven software. So here we are already in the OPT directory. Yes, we are in the OPT directory. We know wget command is for that, and this is a zip file. So we are downloading a zip file and the version is 3.6.2. Let us see, is it downloaded? Yes, it is downloaded. We can see Maven is a tool which is powered by Apache. So here we could see it's a zip file, bin zip file. So for this we are supposed to unzip. So we are unzipping Apache Maven 3.6.2 and so on bin.zip. Yes, we have did it successfully. Now let us see. See, this is the file which is been extracted after unzipping this bin.zip file. Now let us go to etc profile. etc profile is nothing but where we are going to export the path and home directory of the Maven to the system. See, we have gone here and we are going down. We can see export path and all. Here just press I for insert button and then type enter to go down. Here I am going to give the path and then home directory. So yeah, this is the process to configure Maven into the system. So I have given export m2 home is nothing but it is in OPT and it is in Apache Maven 3.6.2. We are telling the system that m2 home directory is this, and then we are telling the path that $path semicolon and then this and then bin. So it is supposed to go to the bin directory. That is what we have given here configuration. And then WQ is for saving and quitting. So after making a certain changes in the etc profile, we are supposed to save it. For saving those changes, we are supposed to enter the syntax called source etc and then profile. We did it. Yeah. So whatever the configurations we did, those are saved at the server level. So let us check. Let us check for the Maven also. See, if you try to check the Maven version, see what happens. See, it is saying Java home is this, Java version is this, and we are in the 3.6.2 Apache Maven version. So we have successfully completed Java installation and Maven installation and Maven configuration in the etc profile. Now it's time to install the Tomcat. So we are already here, don't we? Yes, we are in the OPT directory only. Let's get this. So where do we get these links? We get it in the respect to Tomcat website and respect to Maven website. We can find all these links in the website itself. So I'm just trying to download now tar file. See what is it saying? It is saying resolving so and so connected, and then it is saying HTTP request sent and this is not found. So it is saying this is not found. So just let us go back. I have a Tomcat installation. Let us go for the latest one. Let us see this. Okay. So there is an error for both of it. So this and this are same. Mhm. Let us go to Tomcat. See, the link has been expired. So Tomcat 9.